The right ERP can make manufacturing a little bit easier and actually help you grow your business, but you need the right fit. Big-name ERPs, job shop systems, or piecemeal setups can't handle the complexity of high-mix, low-volume manufacturing. You need Genius ERP, the purpose-built solution for small and mid-sized custom manufacturers. Genius ERP is a full-suite engineering-to-cash system that helps you do what you do better. Everything you need to turn your existing setup into a more efficient, more effective, and more profitable operation all in one package. How realistic are your estimates now? Are you as profitable as you can be? With Genius ERP, you can create more accurate estimates based on real information and increase profitability with real-time job costing. Our solution gives you the tools to improve job by job, month by month, year by year. Every manufacturer gets slowed down by bottlenecks. Genius ERP helps you identify and clear them faster, giving you insights across your organization. Optimize labor and machine schedules, and balance shifting priorities with a fully integrated and aligned system. Information is the key to modernizing your business. With Genius ERP, all your data is in one place. We connect your whole company and help you manage the priorities that drive your organization. Make every part of your business better with Genius ERP, from top floor to shop floor, so you can deliver for your customers on time, every time. To find out how we can help you grow your business, sign up for a demo today. Genius ERP, built for custom manufacturers.